Hi friends, today I have a 240 colorful background in AI and EPS file for Adobe Illustrator. These are background for social media. So first I show you this file in Adobe Illustrator AI. Drag in Adobe Illustrator. Reading Illustrator files progress. Loading. Uh-oh. You see here all file in layer. You can change everything, every color, every shaped sign. Wow. 2020, but you are now in 2021, but you can rename it. Select this color and one by one path. Oh, these are heavy files. So you can change every color, you can edit everything. These are editables. So double click here. Just for example, okay, you change color. Control Z for undo, and you click here. And you can extract one by one file. Wow,